I'm going to show you how to make karaage, Japanese fried chicken that's popular both at home and in Chinese restaurants. Adding the sauce with vinegar makes fried dishes easier to eat. I chose skin on chicken thighs because the skin gets crispy and tastes great, but if you prefer, you can use skinless thighs. Since it takes longer to fry chicken with the bone in, remove the bones. First, make a cut along the bone without cutting all the way through. Next, slide your knife under the bone to lift and remove it. Finally, pull the bone towards you while cutting it away with your knife. Freshly deboned chicken tastes much better than pre-deboned meat. Remove any chunks of fat. Scissors work well for removing sinew. Cut it into bite-sized pieces, about this size. Peel the ginger and grate it to make ginger juice. Some recipes add grated garlic, but using only ginger lets you enjoy the natural flavor of the meat even more. Marinate the meat with sake, soy sauce, and ginger juice. Marinate for an hour or rub the meat to season it quickly. Give it a little more massage. Pat off excess moisture with a paper towel. Let's make a Chinese-style sauce. Cut slits on the top and sides of the garlic, then finely chop it. Three slices were a bit too much. 2 slices of ginger are enough to make about 1 teaspoon when minced. To mince the white part of the green onion, make shallow diagonal slits. Flip it over and slice diagonally. For the green part, using a fork to score it lengthwise makes it easier to mince. Feel free to use your desired amount of red chili. Add sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and sesame oil to a bowl and mix until the sugar dissolved. Then add the minced aromatics. Mix cake flour with cornstarch. While you can use all-purpose flour, cake flour gives a lighter coating. Gently squeeze the chicken in your palm. This helps the flour stick well, so the coating won't come off when frying and will turn out crispy. Brush off any excess flour. This gives the chicken a thin, even coating for a lighter texture and also helps keep the frying oil clean. In a heavy pot, add oil to about 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters high, and heat to 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 degrees Celsius. Without the thermometer, check by placing a chopstick on the bottom. If bubbles rise, it's ready. Since grapeseed oil tends to splatter when using less oil, so I deep fry instead. The advantage is that it gives a lighter texture. Flip the pieces halfway through and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. When taking the chicken out, leave part of it in the oil for 10 seconds. This takes advantage of the way liquids flow towards other liquids, helping the oil drain off. It's common to refry Karaage at the high temperature, but with this method it's not necessary. You can use a wire strainer to do this with the multiple pieces together. Place the chicken on the rack for 2 minutes to cook through with its own heat. Let's cut it open. It's crispy on the outside and juicy inside. Eat it as is if you like a crispy texture. Adding the sauce makes it moist and light. You can also use this sauce as a salad dressing.